Can I just say, we arrived really late sa mall and we are dead hungry. We need a no-brainer restaurant na very familiar na ang lasa and menu. So we chose to eat at Amici sa Estancia Mall, Capitolio. I'll be honest though, sa Ayala Triangle branch pa ata, way back ang last kain ko dito. But I've always loved their pizza, pasta, and gelato. Halos pag-upo namin, nabigyan na agad kami ng complimentary bread na sobrang na-appreciate ko dahil soft and warm nung binigay. Second batch na namin ng dip and bread ito kasi nagustuhan talaga namin. We ordered this tortellini fritti for appetizer. It has sausage, mozzarella, and cream cheese, and it was served with a pesto dip. This was 398 pesos. My friend liked it, pero ako personally di ko masyado na-enjoy because it was too oily and hindi ako fan nung filling. Also got the Mediterranean blue cheese and walnut salad and na-enjoy talaga namin to. 470 pesos for the regular size. Ang sarap ng balance ng greens, cheese, walnuts, grapes, and the wine vinaigrette. Their creamy truffle pasta is 595 for the regular size. It's your basic truffle pasta done right. It was served hot and the pasta was al dente. Sana lang mas prominent yung truffle oil flavor next time. The pasta bolognese was okay. I don't know kung iniba ba talaga yung recipe, but the color, taste, and experience is not the one we've loved. Pero baka ganun talaga. People nga nagbabago eh, recipe pa kaya. The prosciutto e funghi was 665. Sarap ng crust and the prosciutto was okay. Nakulangan lang kami sa cheese pero perfect to lagyan ng hot honey that already comes with their condiments. No need to ask na. If you haven't tried, here's some of their menu so you can check. Pause nyo na lang for reference. Overall, Amici has been there for quite a while now, shows how they know what they are doing. Their take on Italian na pasok sa panlasang Pinoy ay nostalgic and something you'll always remember. It may not be the best out there, but they serve simple flavors but done right. Marami silang branches around the metro and super nice ng staff nila sa Estancia branch. This is an affordable choice if you are craving some pizza and pasta, so I say, go na, try mo na.